Hey everybody, this is Ryan Gibson with Alliance Mortgage Group, licensed in Texas and Oklahoma. I'm going to give you three quick suggestions or tips if you're shopping for a lender for a mortgage. The three things you should look for first and foremost, whether you're refinancing or buying a home. First, check reviews and listen to your recommendations. If you're buying a home, your realtor is likely going to have somebody that they recommend. And a lot of times that realtor's done a bunch of transactions. They've worked with a bunch of different lenders, and they've got a good feel for who offers some of the better deals and who provides the best service and gets the loan to closing ultimately. But also check for reviews. Most lenders should have reviews out there in some capacity. Check those reviews, take some time to read them. That's going to be very helpful for you. The second thing is compare rates and fees. Don't just look at the rate somebody is offering. That is never a good way to compare mortgages. Rate is important, obviously, but you've got to also look at the fees associated with that rate that you're getting. Just because one lender's rate is better than the other doesn't mean that's the better deal, and vice versa. Sometimes a lower rate comes with much higher fees. Sometimes a slightly higher rate is much cheaper, and that might be a better option. You never know. But compare both things before you make a decision there. And then last, communication and responsiveness is critical in my opinion. If at the very beginning phases of your process of shopping for a lender, for your refi or your purchase or whatever, you call that lender to talk, you leave a voicemail, maybe you send them an email, and it takes hours or it's the next day, that's a red flag. Most lenders, loan officers like myself, should be able to respond to you pretty quick, and including nights and weekends. If you have a loan officer that's kind of tied to a bank and they only respond during banking hours, most people want to talk nights and weekends when they're not working themselves. So look for that as well. Pay attention to those three things. Check reviews and reputation. Look at rate and fees, not just rate, and find a loan officer that is responsive. I hope these three things help. If I can help you myself, reach out. Thanks.